Once upon a time there was a tiny ant who lived in a busy, green forest full of flowers and tall grass. The little ant loved exploring and helping her friends. One sunny morning she noticed a big danger approaching her colony. A heavy branch had fallen and blocked the main path. The other ants were scared and said she was too small to do anything. The little ant did not give up. She took a deep breath and decided to find a way to save everyone. She called her friends, and together they looked for a plan. They tried climbing over the branch, but it was too high. Then they tried going around, but the path was too long. The little ant thought carefully and said, "Let's work together step by step." She asked some ants to move small pebbles, while others pushed leaves. Slowly they cleared a small path. Then they all worked together to push the branch just enough to make a safe way. Everyone was amazed at how brave and clever the little ant was. The colony could move safely again. The little ant smiled and felt proud of what they had done. All the ants cheered and thanked her. They realized that no matter how small someone is, they can do big things with courage, teamwork, and patience. From that day, the little ant became a hero in the forest, and everyone learned that even the tiniest creatures can make a huge difference if they never give up.